Bob, you were a bird, but not for very long. Bob, you were a bird, but you never got to sing your song.
That's good. And what happened to Bob?
Bob died. Bob died quickly, unfortunately. We tried to save Bob.
What did you do to try to save Bob?
Well, we kept feeding it water, but we weren't smart enough to immediately go get honey and mix it in water and feed it to an eyedropper because Bob had been abandoned probably the day old.
But you tried to give him
We
bread.
made him a nest inside our room. Yes. We fed him as often as we could, but it wasn't enough. And then Bob perished. Bob the bird.
And if Bob the bird hadn't perished, what would have happened?
We would have given it to a woman's, to Ferrari, who would have given it to her daughter for safekeeping.
Do you think it would have worked?
If maybe, I mean, one can always hope. We'll know the next time we find an abandoned bird, who we'll also call Bob in honor of the first Bob.
Of course.
Of course, yes.
And we're going to sing him the song.
The song, Bob, you weren't here for very long. Bob, you never got to sing your song. Yes. You're going to put this on Facebook. Fuck you. Okay.
I
Fuck you.
won't.
I'm not really this nice. I don't care about birds that much. Fuck everybody. Okay, bye.
It's just between you and me.